Hello, friends. Welcome to the session on artificial intelligence. In this session, we'll be discussing about different AI project ideas. Friends, whenever you go for a certain course in computer science or in computer application, many times you need to do your project work. And this project work is part of your curriculum. While doing the project work, nowadays, students are preferring to do project on AI that will help you to understand AI in a more better fashion. Also, as far as the NEP 2020 guidelines are concerned, you will find that the project should encourage the critical thinking, creativity, and there should be a multidisciplinary approach. So in this session, we will discuss what are the different AI project ideas on various themes that can be used by the student in order to do their project. Friends, as you know that you are viewing this session on my YouTube channel, and you can subscribe to the channel so that you can watch many other educational videos on the recent topics in electronics and computer science. So let us start the session and let us understand what are the different project ideas on artificial intelligence. AI or artificial intelligence is nowadays part of almost every curriculum. As far as the NEP 2020 guidelines are concerned, they promote experimental and project-based learning. This will help the student in order to solve the real-life problem. This will help the student to develop their computational thinking. And the students will be ready to face the future challenges. And therefore, it is very necessary that you should do a good project work during your education. So as far as the theme 1 is concerned, it is possible that you can do the AI project for environment. Say, for example, you can think of developing a project for smart dustbin, where it is possible that making the use of AI, you can classify the waste. Nowadays, the waste classification is very essential, and such waste classification can be done by using AI, and the required data can be collected by using different sensors. It is possible that you can predict the quality of the air, surrounding air. So there are different ML models available with the help of which you can predict the quality of the air. Again, you need to make the use of different sensors in order to capture the content of AI, and then you can classify them. It is also possible that you can develop a project for water usage tracker. Water should be used only as per the need. The wastage of the water should be avoided. This can be done by making the use of the artificial intelligence. So the different water uses can be tracked by making the use of this project. So these are the different guidelines, or these are the different ideas with the help of which you can develop an AI project for environment. If you want to develop any project in health and wellness, then it is also possible that you can develop an AI project on health. Say, for example, you can recognize the activity, the human activity daily he is performing. That activity can be recognized by using the teachable machine. Also, you can create a chatbot which can help to monitor the mental health. So mental health awareness can be created by making the use of the chatbot. It is also possible that by making the use of AI, you can create a diet planner. And as per the user input, the diet can be planned according to the needs of the every individual person. So these are the certain ideas where AI can be used in health. When you want to work in education and you want to create some project in education by making the use of AI, then you can think of developing a AI-based plagiarism checker. Plagiarism checker is a software which will check to what extent the contents are copied from the other sources, or what is the similarity index of your document and other documents. So such thing can be developed by making the use of AI. It is possible that you can generate a quiz by making use of AI. So personalized quiz generator is also possible, with the help of which you can generate on your own the different quizzes for the content that you study. You can make the use of voice quiz mode using the Scratch and ML blocks. So using Scratch, it is possible that you can create a board where the quiz can be created by the voice board. If you want to develop certain AI projects related with the society, then it is possible that you can develop some app where a missing person can be identified. So when you feed the features of the missing person, and then those features will be matched with the different other people's available on the net, and with the help of which we can determine the position of the missing person. It is possible that you can have a smart attendance. So inside a class, if there are hundreds of students, then daily taking the attendance manually is very difficult task for a teacher. By making the use of the face recognition, you can have the smart attendance. It is also possible that you can detect the fake news by making the use of text classification. So whenever you receive some message or whenever you receive some news, whether it is fake or not, that can be detected by making the use of AI. So these are the certain project ideas based on AI for society. There are different tools available which students can make use in order to develop their project. So for example, we can have a Google teachable machine that can be used. We have a Scratch plus ML for kids. So if you are working in a school, then you can make the use of these tools. You can make the use of Python if you are studying in colleges, engineering colleges, science colleges, then you can make the use of Python. There are different other tools such as Canva AI, ChatGPT, Google Colab. Even these also can be used in order to develop the small AI projects. There are certain assessment ideas where, with the help of which you can assess the creation, you can create the rubrics on originality, collaboration, and usefulness. It is possible that you can make the use of the peer reviews and reflections for the writing. You can focus on solving the local or school level issues. So when you carefully watch your school or your surroundings, there you will find that large number of problems are there, and these problems can be attempted by making the use of AI tools. So thank you, friends, for viewing the session. Hopefully you have understood what are the different AI projects that can be developed. Thank you all.